Chapter 8. Introduction to MS Excel. Recapitulation. Microsoft Office is a bundle of different softwares like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and MS Excel, etc. Microsoft Word allows you to type and save documents. PowerPoint is a slideshow presentation program. Central idea. Introduction. Open MS Excel. Enter text in Microsoft Excel worksheets. To delete the cell content. To copy and paste the cell content. Various components of MS Excel. To select a single cell or cell range. To delete the cells. To cut and paste cell content. Save the worksheet. MS Excel. Do you know we can do calculations on the computer? Yes, but I find it very tedious as we need to type the numbers again and again. Do we have any other software? Yes, madam. We do all the calculations on the calculator application in the computer. Yes, I saw MS Excel in the Microsoft Office folder. I think it can do calculations. I heard it from my father. Microsoft Office is a powerful set of applications. It includes many applications such as word processing, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint presentation, and email communication programs. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a software application where we can store data in a tabular format as an electronic document. A spreadsheet is a digital form of paper-based worksheet. A spreadsheet may also be called a worksheet. The rows and columns within the spreadsheet contain cells that are filled with data to perform different operations. Various functions of the spreadsheet program are: data can be easily sorted, filtered, and quickly analyzed. Support for mathematical formulas and calculations. Calculations are done automatically. Multiple worksheets and their interlinking. Integration and visualization of data in the form of charts. Some of the popular spreadsheet softwares are Lotus 123, Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc, etc. Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet applications. Let's learn more about Microsoft Excel. Introduction. Microsoft Excel is a program that allows you to calculate, store, organize, and manipulate the data with formulas using a spreadsheet system. Excel spreadsheets allow you to analyze the data and report the large amount of data quickly and easily. Starting Microsoft Excel. To start MS Excel, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll the menu and click Excel. The following window will appear. Click on the blank workbook to open blank document or a pre-designed template. Step 3. Click on the blank workbook. As you can see in the screenshot given below, the default workbook is opened as Book 1. Cell A1 is automatically selected when Excel opens. Name box, formula bar, columns, ribbon, active cell A1, rows, worksheet, sheet tab, scroll bars. Components of MS Excel window. Workbook. The Excel document that appears on the screen is called a workbook. Worksheet. It is a sheet in which you work and store your data. By default, there is only one worksheet named Sheet 1. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is an application program for storing, managing, and analyzing information in a tabular form. In simple words, worksheet is a single spreadsheet that contains cells organized by rows and columns. Cell. Every worksheet is made up of thousands of rectangles, which are called cells. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. Rows and columns. Columns are identified by letters A, B, C, while rows are identified by numbers 1, 2, 3. In Excel 2019, a worksheet has 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Cell address. Each cell has a unique address, which is made by a combination of the column letter and a row number like A1, C5, B4, C7, etc. Cell address appears in the name box. Ribbon. Ribbon is the topmost area of the application that contains the menu items and toolbars. Ribbon can be shown hidden using Ctrl plus F1 key. The ribbon has various tabs on the top, and each tab has its own set of commands. Microsoft Excel commands are organized into 7 main tabs. 1. Home tab includes commands for formatting worksheets, cells, data, and commands for inserting and deleting columns and rows. 2. Insert tab contains the options to insert tables, illustrations, charts, links, headers and footers, symbols, and more. 3. Page Layout tab contains the options to change your margins, page background, page orientation, and more. 4. Formulas tab contains the options to browse and select formulas and functions. 5. Data tab contains the options to access external data, to sort and filter, to access data tools, to merge, group cells together, to add subtotals, and more. 6. Review tab contains the options to check spellings, add comments, and more. 7. View tab contains the options to change your workbook view, show or hide grid lines, headings, the formula bar and the ruler, arrange windows, freeze panes, zoom in or out, and more. Creating a new blank workbook. Take the following steps to create a new blank workbook. Step 1. Click File. Step 2. Click New. Step 3. Click Blank Workbook. A template is a pre-designed spreadsheet you can use to create a new workbook quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and predefined formulas to save time and effort when starting a new document. Cell pointer. The mouse pointer turns into square in the Excel worksheet. It is used to point to or select a cell and is therefore called a cell pointer. Active cell. The currently selected cell is known as an active cell. Range of cells. A group of cells is known as a cell range. A range of cell may be a single cell or a group of cells. A range can be given by specifying the address of the first and last cell in the cell range. For example, A1 to A7 or B4 to H8. Selecting a single cell. To select a single cell on a worksheet, click that particular cell. A border appears that surrounds the selected cell. The column heading and row heading is highlighted. The cell remains selected until you click another cell in the worksheet. Selecting range of cell. To select a range of cells, step 1, click the first cell of the range and then, while pressing your mouse, drag the pointer to the last cell of the range. Step 2. Release the mouse to select the desired cell range. The cells will remain selected until you click another cell in the worksheet. Before entering the text or any number into the cell, let us learn the 3 shapes of cursors. The doctor's symbol, big plus, is used for cell selection. Hint: this is default cursor style in Excel window. The thin black cross is used for auto-filling data and for copying formulas. Hint: put mouse cursor on the lower right corner of the cell. The 4-headed arrow is used for moving cells or other items. Hint: put mouse cursor on any edge of the cell or selected series of cells. Entering text in a cell. To enter the text in a cell, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the cell in which you wish to enter text by clicking on it. Step 2. The cell becomes active. Now, type the content into the selected cell. Content appears in the cell and formula bar. Delete cell content. To delete the cell content, select the cell with content which you want to delete and then click the Delete button or backspace key on your keyboard. The cell's contents will be deleted. Delete row or column. To delete a row or a column in the worksheet, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the cells in the row or column which you want to delete. Select multiple cells to delete multiple rows or columns. Step 2. Select the Delete command from the Home tab on the ribbon and click Delete Sheet Rows or Delete Sheet Columns. Note: there is a major difference between deleting the content of a cell and deleting the cell itself. If you delete the entire cell, the cell below it will automatically shift up and replace the deleted cells. Copy and paste cell content. To copy and paste the cell contents, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the cells you want to copy. Step 2. Click the Copy command on the Home tab or press Ctrl+C. Step 3. Select the cells where you want to paste the content. Step 4. Select Paste from the Home tab or press Ctrl+V. The copied cells have a dashed box surrounding it. We can paste the copied contents on different locations till the copied cell is surrounded by the dashed box. Cut and paste the cell content. Cut and paste command is similar to copy and paste, but the difference is that it allows moving the contents between cells instead of copying. To cut and paste cell contents, take the following steps. Step 1. Select the cells you want to cut. Step 2. Click the Cut command on the Home tab or press Ctrl+X, Ctrl+X on your keyboard. Step 3. Select the cells where you want to paste the content. Step 4. Click the Paste command or press Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Cut content will be removed from the original cell, B5, and pasted into the selected cell, D2. The cut contents are removed from the original cells and pasted onto the selected cells. Hint: you can also move the cell contents by the right click in the selected cell. A drop-down menu will appear. select Cut command, then right-click in the new location and click Paste from the drop-down menu. Similarly, to copy the cell contents, right-click in the selected cell and select Copy and paste in the new cell. Saving the work. You can save the worksheet for later use. To save your work, click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl+S or take the following steps. Step 1. Click File. Step 2. Click Save as in the Backstage view. Step 3. Click Browse to locate the folder to save the file. Step 4. Choose a location and type a file name. Step 5. Click Save to save the file.